Hello students, I welcome you all to chapter 7 Money. Money is the value of exchange. It means that whatever we purchase, any services, any goods, we have to give something in return to it. And that is known as value of exchange, that is money. Indian currency, that is rupees and paise. Rupees is the plural form of rupee and is denoted by the symbol R with the parallel bars as you can see on the screen, and paise, which is the plural of paisa, which is denoted by the alphabet P. Rupees are in of two forms, that is paper notes and coins, whereas paise is of coins. Today, the different coins in use are 50 paise, rupee 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10. The different denominations of paper notes that are in use today are rupee 1, rupees 2, rupees 5, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, or I can write 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. Now students, we are going to learn about the conversion of rupees into paise. As you already know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So, rupees 2 is equal to 200 paise, rupees 5 is equal to 500 paise, and rupees 28 is equal to 2800 paise. Now, students will be seeing the conversion of rupees and paise into paise. To convert rupees and paise into paise, students, you need to first convert rupees into paise and then add into the given paise. To understand this better, let's take an example. Say 4 rupees 25 paise has to be converted into paise. This 4 rupees 25 paise can be written like 4 rupees plus 25 paise. Then this is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 paise plus 25 paise. Why? As you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So I have multiplied the number of rupees by 100 paise. So I get 400 paise plus 25 paise. Now, as you can see, both the values are with the units paise, which can be easily added up. So I'll add up 425, that is 425 paise. So students, the conversion of 4 rupees 25 paise into paise would be 425 paise. Now students, let's solve exercise 7.2. Here I take the first question, that is where you have to convert the following rupees into paise. Question number 1, we have to convert rupees 8 into paise. As you all know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So I multiply 8 by 100 paise to get 800 paise, which is the conversion of rupees 8. Let's take another question, that is question number 3, which has rupees 6.25. This can be written as rupees 6 and 25 paise is equal to rupees 6 plus 25 paise. Now here you have to simply first convert the given rupee into paise, which will be added to the given 25 paise. It would be rupees 6 is multiplied by 100 paise. As you all know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So here I have multiplied 6 by 100 paise plus 25 paise. This is equal to 600 paise plus 25 paise. And If I add up the two given numbers, I get the sum of 625 paise. Take question number 5, which says rupees 82.03. This can be written as rupees 82 plus 03 paisa, which is equal to 82 multiplied by 100 paisa plus 3 paisa. As you all know that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Then this is equal to 8200 paise plus 3 paise, which further goes to 8203 paise or 8203 paise. Now students, I take up the next question, that is question number 7, which says rupees 0.95. Here I can write it as rupees 0 plus 95 paise, and this rupees 0 would be multiplied by 100 paise plus 95 paise. As you already know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So I get 0 paisa plus 95 paisa, which further adds up to give me 95 paise. Now students, we are going to learn about the conversion of paise into rupees. For this, to convert paise into rupees or paise into rupees and paise, first we need to separate the ones and tens digit from the given number of paise. The number formed by ones and tens digits gives us the paise, and the remaining number gives us the rupees. To understand this better, let's take an example where I have 467 paise. So I separate the ones and tens digits, that is 7 and 6 respectively. When I separate 6 and 7, that becomes the paise, and 4, which is the remaining number, will give me the rupees. That is, I get rupees 4.67. Or in simpler words, I can put it up that I put a point after 2 digits from the right. That is, if I take another example where I have 907 paise, I simply put a point after 2 digits from the right, that is before 0. So I get rupees 9.07 as the conversion of 907 paise into rupees. Now students will learn about the conversion of paise into rupees. So let's take an example where I have to convert 500 paise into rupees. For that, I put it up as 500 multiplied by 1 by 100 rupees. Why? As you all know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. I can also write as 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So 1 paise is equal to rupee 1 by 100. So when I do the calculation over here, it becomes 500 divided by 100 rupees, which is equal to 5 rupees, or I can say rupee 5. Students, let's take exercise 7.3, where I have the question to convert the following paise into rupees. For this, I take question number 2, where we have 1200 paise. So this is equal to 1200 paise divided by 100 rupees. Why? As you all know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise, 100 paise is equal to rupee 1, and 1 paise is equal to rupee 1 by 100. So when I divide 1200 by 100, I get rupees 12. Another example which says 910 paise to be converted into rupees. This I can write it as 900 paise plus 10 paise. 900 paise, can be written as rupees 9. Why? Because 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So rupee 9 plus 10 paise, or simply rupees 9.10. Now 5005 paise. This can be written as 5000 paise plus 05 paise. As you all know, this is 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So I can write 50 rupees plus 0.5 paise. And this is equal to rupees 50.05. Students, this is how we do the conversion of rupees into paise or paise into rupees. By now, you must have understood well. So, happy learning, students. Thank you.